Hi guys, this is Sumon from ESD Builder. Today I'm gonna show you how you can create this type of block in just 20 minutes. So this is the block we are going to create in this video. So you can watch this video till the end. So we are going to create this type of blog post and this type of header menu, search box and social media icon. Also, we will create about us page and contact us page. Also, we will create the slider option on the hero section. You can see our single blog post how look like. We will create the stylish and important sidebar option in this website. Below the post section, any user can comment on this post. Before we start the video, we need to domain and hosting. You can buy domain and hosting from Hostingjar. Here, hosting is available at much lower price. You can see if you purchase any hosting for 12 months, then you will get a .com domain free. As you can see, here two hosting plan. You can buy WordPress hosting. My recommend you can buy WordPress Starter or Business WordPress for any blog website. So you can choose from your side. Now you can select your plan. You can see here are 4 options for a period. If you want to test Hostingjar hosting, then you will go for 1 month. Otherwise, you can choose 3 different options. Now you can create an account. Now select your payment method and pay it. Hosting and domain link below in the video description box. You will get a special offer by hosting from this link. You will get a cPanel like this where you can install your WordPress. If there are WordPress any problem, then you can delete here. Then click Software Cloud and Installer and click WordPress install. You can choose your domain name from here. Delete the directory and choose WordPress version. Enter your WordPress admin username and enter a strong password and enter your WordPress admin email ID. Later, when you forget your password, you can change your password with this email ID. Scroll the web page and click install. As you can see here, install the WordPress. After completing the WordPress, you can click your domain name /wp admin section. Now we are inside the WordPress dashboard. This is where we will able to control our blog. If you want to hide this option, you can click skin option and untick from here. Now our WordPress dashboard is clean. Click my blog and click visit site. Right now it has this WordPress default look. So back to WordPress dashboard and click setting option and reading option and click search engine visibility. Click save changes and click permalink, click post name and save changes. Now we need a theme. So click the appearance option and click theme. Click the theme. Click the add new button and search top blog. You can see the top block theme here and you can install now. So click the install button and active. So the theme are installed. Now we need to delete the other theme. You can see here the theme has changed. So we need some post. Click the post option and click all post. Then click the trash option and click the trash and delete permanently. And then click add new and write the title and write some content and click the post option and create a category. And set a feature image and choose your feature image. Then publish. You can follow those steps for create a new post. So back to WordPress dashboard and then click add new and write the title and write some content and click the post option and create a category and set a feature image and choose your feature image. Then publish. I'm pausing the video and updating some post, then coming back into this video. Here you can see I have posted some blog. Let's see what our blog website looks like. So click my blog and then visit site. You can see some changes in this blog here. Now we will change the header section and menu option of our website. So go back to the dashboard and then click the appearance and click the customization. First click the theme option and click the header option. Here you can write as you want. I write some text. You can see our blog is changing. So click the publish button. Then click the slider option. Click the home page option and select the post. Then publish. You can see the slider has been added to our website. There has been some problem with the header media. It needs to be solved. So go back the main option and click header media and choose disable. Then click publish. You can see that the problem of header media has been solved. Our site is working perfectly. We need to change the tagline on our website. So let's change. Click the site identity, then remove the tagline. Also, you can choose your logo from here. Also, you can set your fav icon from here. Now we have to create a menu. So click the menu option and click create new menu and write your menu name and select primary menu and write your menu name and then click the next button. Now your menu is create. Click add item and select home page and all the category. Then publish. You can see that our menu has been added in the header section. So we need to create another menu. So go back to WordPress dashboard and click the appearance and click the menu option. Click the create a new menu option and select the secondary menu and write your menu name. And click create menu. So we need some pages for this menu. So click the page option and click all pages. As you can see, here default 2 pages already have. Click the trash option. Click add new. Enter your page name and write some content. Then click the publish button. Again we need a page. So click add new page. Write the page name then publish. Here we need a contact form plugin. So click the plugin option and search contact and install contact form 7 plugin. Delete those plugin and click the setting option and edit this form. I don't need to change anything here. So back to page option and click all pages and edit the contact us page. We need shortcode element. So click this plus icon and write shortcode and enter shortcode here and click the update button and reload your website. As you can see, our contact form is working. Now go back to WordPress dashboard and visit our site again. Our website is working properly. So we need our social media menu. Go back to WordPress dashboard. So go back to WordPress dashboard and click appearance and then menu and add 2 pages, about us page and contact us page. Click save menu. Click create a new menu. Select social menu. Enter your menu name and click create menu. Click custom link and enter social media name and enter your social media account. And click add to menu and click save menu and click customization. Now our all menu is working perfectly. Now we have to change the sidebar option. So back to WordPress dashboard. We need a plugin. So click the plugin option and click add new. Write custom CSS and enter. Install this plugin and click active. Click the custom CSS option, then click all custom code. Click add CSS code. I am providing a code in the description box and you will paste it here and click publish and click update and go back. Now you click appearance, then click widgets. As you can see, here is 3 row. Now click plus icon, search heading and write recent post. Align the text in center. Again click plus icon for element, choose latest post. Click plus icon and click heading and write recent comment. Align the text in center. Click the plus icon for element. Click latest comment. Again click plus icon and click heading. Write category and align the text in center. Click plus icon and type category. Then update. As you can see, our sidebar has changed. Now we need to create footer section. Now go back to WordPress dashboard. Scroll down to footer section. Click plus icon and click heading. Type archive. Click plus icon. Type archive and click archive. Again click footer 2. Click plus option and select heading and write recent post. Again click plus icon for element, choose latest post. Click footer 3. Click plus icon, click heading and type gallery. Again click plus icon and click gallery and upload your gallery image. Click insert gallery and set gallery column and click update. Visit site and reload web page. As you can see, our footer is working. But here is problem. I can't see the heading. So let's fix the problem. Click heading, then click color and select white color. Click update. As you can see, heading is visible. Now our blog is complete. If you have any question, then you can comment. Also like my video and share your friend. Thank you.